Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest tools and gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of painting with the VONFORN Paint Sprayer. If you're looking for the best sander deck available, you're in the right place. Now, let's talk about what makes this paint sprayer stand out from the rest. With its 700W power and HVLP technology, it's a game changer for any DIY enthusiast or professional painter. One of the standout features of the VONFORN Paint Sprayer is its versatility. Equipped with 4 different size nozzles and 3 spray patterns, including horizontal, vertical, and circular, it's perfect for a wide range of painting projects. But what really sets this paint sprayer apart is its unique blowing and cleaning functions. Before you start painting, you can use the dust blowing joint to remove any dust or debris from the surface, ensuring a smooth finish every time. And after you're done painting, cleaning up is a breeze. Simply connect the cleaning connector to your faucet and let the residual paint inside the pipe wash away. No more messy cleanup sessions. But perhaps the best part about the VONFORN Paint Sprayer is how easy it is to use. Even if you're a beginner, you can assemble it with no tools required and get started right away. Plus, with adjustable flow control, you can easily customize the amount of paint output to suit your project. And let's not forget about the accessories. With 4 size nozzles, 5 paint filters, a viscosity cup, cleaning brush, and more included in the package, you'll have everything you need to tackle any painting project. So whether you're painting furniture, cabinets, fences, or even garden chairs, the VONFORN Paint Sprayer has you covered. Say goodbye to tedious painting sessions and hello to professional results in no time. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Until next time, happy painting!